Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am back with much important and informative video on the superlatives of India. This is the second and last video on this topic. If you have not watched the first video on superlatives of India, then click on the I button or go to the link in the description box and watch it. If you are preparing for any competitive exam or want to improve your general knowledge, then this video is for you. So don't skip and watch the video till end. So let's start. First question is, which is the largest brackish water or partial saline water lake in India? So answer is Silica Lake, Odisha. Next question, which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Answer is Sambar Lake, Rajasthan. Next question, which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer, Ular Lake in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Its area is 260 square kilometer. Next question, which is the largest artificial lake in India? And the answer is Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar Lake. Next question, which is the largest river barrage in India? And the answer is Farakka barrage over the river Ganga. Next question, which is the largest desert in India? And the answer is Thor Desert. It is in the northwestern part of India. Its area is 2 lakhs square kilometer. Next question, which is the largest delta in India? And the answer is Sundarban Delta. It is on the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra river. Next question, which is the largest state with maximum forest area in India? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. 94 square kilometer area of Madhya Pradesh is under forest cover. Next question, which is the largest state with maximum percentage of forest area in India? And the answer is Mizoram. About 75% area of Mizoram is covered by forest. Next question, which is the most populous city in India? And the answer is Mumbai. Next question, which is the largest riverine island in India? And the answer is Majuli Island on the river Brahmaputra in Assam. Next question, which is the largest district in India? The answer is Kutch district in the state of Gujarat. Next question, which is the largest library in India? Answer is National Library in Kolkata. Next question, which is the largest aircraft carrier in India? Answer is INS Vikramaditya. Next question, which is the largest island in India? Answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next question, which is the tallest mountain peak in India? Answer is Kanchenjunga. It is 8,586 meter tall. Next question, which is the highest waterfall in India? And the answer is Kanchikal Falls, Barahi River in the state of Karnataka. Next question, which is the highest road in India? And the answer is Leh Manali at Khardungla in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is the highest road in India. Next question, which is the highest battlefield in India? And the answer is Siachen Glacier in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is the highest battlefield in India. Next question, which is the tallest dam in India? And the answer is Tehri Dam on Bhagirathi River in the state of Uttarakhand. Its height is 260 meter. It is the tallest dam in India as well as in the world. Next question, which is the tallest gateway in India? And the answer is Buland Darwaza in Fatehpur Sikri in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Next question, which is the tallest statue in India? And the answer is the Statue of Unity, which is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the state of Gujarat, is the tallest statue in India. Its height is 182 meter. Next question, which is the highest airport in India? And the answer is Leh Airport in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is the highest airport in India. Next question, which is the highest gallantry award in India? And the answer is Paramvir Chakra is the highest gallantry award in India. Next question, which is the highest civilian award in India? And the answer is Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in India. Next question, which is the highest lake in India? And the answer is Solamo Lake, Sikkim in the state of Sikkim is the highest lake in India. Its height is 5,330 meters. Next question, which is the highest railway station in India? And the answer is Ghum railway station in Darjeeling in the state of West Bengal is the highest railway station in India. Next question, which place receives the highest rainfall in India? And the answer is Mawsynram in the state of Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. Next question, which is the highest tower in India? And the answer is Qutub Minar at Delhi is the highest tower in India. Next question, which is the highest gravity dam in India? And the answer is Bhakra Dam. Next question, which is the smallest state in India in terms of area? And the answer is Goa. Its area is 3,702 square kilometer. Next question, which is the smallest state in India in terms of population? Answer is Sikkim. Its population is 6,10,000. Next question, which is the smallest state in India in terms of population density? And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. There are 17 people in Arunachal Pradesh live in every square kilometer. Next question, which is the smallest state in India in terms of literacy rate? And the answer is Bihar. 63.2% people of Bihar is literate. Next question, which is the smallest state in India in terms of sex ratio? And the answer is Haryana. There are 879 female in Haryana in every 1000 male. Next question, which is the smallest state in India in terms of population growth? And the answer is Sikkim. Population growth of Sikkim recorded 12.89%. Next question, which is the least urbanized state in India? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. 10% area of Himachal Pradesh is urbanized. Next question, which is the smallest state in India in terms of forest cover? And the answer is Haryana. Only 3.63% area of Haryana is covered by forest. Next question, which is the smallest union territory in India in terms of area? And the answer is Lakshadweep. Its area is 32.62 square kilometer. Next question, which is the oldest church in India? And the answer is St. Thomas Church at Palayar in the state of Kerala is the oldest church in India. Next question, which is the deepest river valley in India? And the answer is Bhagirathi and Alakananda. Next question, which is the busiest bridge in India? And the answer is Howrah Bridge in Kolkata. Next question, which is the oldest refinery in India? And the answer is Digboi Refinery of Assam is the oldest refinery in India. It was established on the 11th December 1901. Next question, which is the fastest train in India? And the answer is Vande Bharat Express. Its highest speed was recorded 180 km per hour. Next question, which is the oldest high court in India? And the answer is Calcutta High Court is the oldest high court in India. It was established on 1st July 1862. Next question, which state has the longest coastline in India? And the answer is Gujarat. Next question, which is the smallest river in India? And the answer is Arwari River in the state of Rajasthan. Its length is 90 km. Next question, which is the smallest parliamentary constituency in India? And the answer is Chandni Chowk, Delhi. Its area is 10.59 square kilometer. Next question, which is the smallest district in India in terms of area? And the answer is Mahe district in Puducherry. Its area is 8.69 square kilometer. Next question, which is the oldest university in India? And the answer is Nalanda University. It was established in 5th century and lasted till 13th century. So friends, that's all. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for informative videos. Happy learning. Thank you.